Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a 10 lines speech on freedom fighter. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Aryan Khan. Number 3. Today I want to talk about freedom fighters. Number 4. Freedom fighters are heroes. Number 5. They fought for our country's freedom. Number 6. They wanted us to be free. Number 7. They dreamed of a free nation. Number 8. They gave us the gift of freedom. Number 9. We should honor their memory. Number 10. Let's remember them with pride. Thank you. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.